Hey guys, how's it going? Zima here, and today I wanted to show you Playbux, something that I thought of is pretty cool that has a free raffle right now with $600,000 in prizes for that I thought you might be interested in, as it's free to join and you might win some money. Now, as you know, it's not financial advice, but I like the idea behind it, so I thought, let me share that with you. It's the largest Web3 entertainment platform in the world, powered by AI and backed by Binance Labs, Visa Accelerator 2023, got their own token called Playbux, and they have some pretty interesting things they're working on right now. Let's focus on the main announcement tweet for this one first. We have a $600,000 free raffle that is still ongoing, and the tickets are racing towards the grand prize of $300,000. Over 190,000 raffle tickets have already been redeemed for that, which means lots of people participate in this. So you can participate, stake your USDT or the token and get yourself going. You're at the point where everyone gets rewarded and you shouldn't miss your chance. In addition to that, for every $1 raffle ticket, they also burn one Playbux token, which makes the supply even more deflationary than it already is. We're sitting at around $1 million right now and got listed on Bybit, Date, HTX, KuCoin, Maxi, lots of big exchanges out there. And with the volume being bigger than the market cap, there's a lot of noise surrounding this project. Keep in mind, at the current valuation, it is really easy to change the price by 10, 20, even 200% in a single day, but it can also go down by the same amount. Right now, there are a lot of different things on the site itself that you can check out. For example, how you can play, the stamp system, walk to earn, a daily check-in to give the BRK token, and a couple other things. Once you select them, you'll see there's a leaderboard where the participants with the most amount of points get rewarded. For example, in this case, get airdrop of Season 2 and Alpha Starter packages, or win a whole bunch of money. Now, there's still almost 11 days left, depending on when you see this video. And if all you have to do is stake your token, and you even get some percentage on that, then there's nothing really to lose. You can also see there are different ticket prices, which gives you a chance to win the key, Playbux or NFTs on daily, weekly, or monthly basis. That grants you more things in the future as well. There are also NFT prizes as well for your character that you can configure, customize, and so on and so forth. Oh, just 11 days remaining. This is something that you might like quite a lot. They also partnered with the Beta Labs recently for the development of a gas-free AI-powered Layer 1 blockchain, and you can think of this entire platform as the pinnacle of entertaining Web3, which integrates e-commerce, blockchain technology, and builder communities into one. Well, there is a lot to this project when it comes to NFTs, when it comes to the utilities that they have. There are different features. For example, there's watch to earn, stamp to earn, walk to earn, a lot of different ways to reward users for their time and their participation. This video is mainly on the ongoing raffle because I thought it's free to join and you guys might win, might get lucky. But I do encourage you to read this entire white paper, which has a lot of different topics. There's even shop to earn, for example. It offers users access to an extensive network of over 26,000 affiliated shops, for which users receive cashback credit, which can then later be withdrawn in USDT. So if you buy something anyways on a shop online, there might be an option to use the links that they provide, then shop at a merchant, and then get a reward back that you can then withdraw whatever you liked. Whenever they updated the white paper, it also stated that they facilitated an impressive 600K in USD in spending through this feature, attracting the participation of over 50,000 users. Overall, there's a whole lot to this, and I think moving forward over the next year, this will grow rapidly. The more that is going on, the more people that attract, the more people that are attracted to this, the easier it is to grow. And I won't be surprised if this one is one of the go-to projects fairly soon. You know, it's not financial advice, but if you want to get the token, stake it, or participate in the free raffle, go for it. I wish you good luck. And I'll see you guys fairly soon when we talk about more projects that I found in crypto and Web3 that I think are interesting and worth sharing. Until then, bye guys.